Hello guys, this is madhava-gowda channel. Back with good news. This is Xtend RTL boot Xtend RTL to watch. Yes, this is madhava-gowda channel, and today's video is to be the features and information about this watch and detailed A to Z information, guys. And I already opened it because I couldn't wait it. My camera, in tricky part I told you my camera issue, so I used to connect it. I will tell you first. The first feature, the first image you see, that is wait a minute. And this one, but first you see this one. Wait a minute, guys. I need some time. First, after charging, you need to first put it on charge, and it will come like a charging display, and it's not having the best animation on charging display. Yeah, you have nothing to set it on. It will be on, and the first wallpaper you will be seeing only this, and you will be have local 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait, what? I need to tell you about this 1%, not this one, my connecting mobile. Okay, first then let's speak about this watch, this amazing look. And tomorrow I will be uploading 5 to 4 plus videos because tomorrow is holiday for me. Yeah, summer holidays coming for everybody. Not everybody. Martin Luther School for 4th, it's coming. So it's like a festival for me. Yeah, I'm not kidding. And if you open, you see this screen, this beautiful screen. But in the app you can search. In the second part I will do it. And yeah, in this also I will be, but let's do the video first because I need to go and eat some food. Okay, first feature I am going to explain you how to change the watch faces. Like you can go like this, and adding I will tell you in the next part, but you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be considered as local, and you can go, if you are here, you can go scroll down, settings, watch faces, it will come, and you can set it. And the thing next, the features for how do the watch record this. If you put it fully tight, then it will record your old information. If you got to school, then you came back and put it on, then it will record the steps you have walked there also. In the school also it will record if you put tightly full, like this much record, and if you put this much or this much, you should need to put like this tight, bro. Okay.